Romper, bumper, stomper, boo. Tell me, do. Is there a birthday in the house? Is there a special person today having a birthday? I see a girl named Yaya. I see a girl named Jayne Bird. I see a girl who's having a birthday today, and we're going to make her a special birthday video. Woohoo! Bliss Bites. Bliss Bites. I'm making this video for my sister, whose birthday is today, November the 19th, a Friday. And this makes 24 bites. And these are the ingredients: oatmeal, coconut oil. And you know what? That is homemade maple syrup. And for all of you that say, that's not maple syrup, that's because I used white sugar and not dark sugar. But maple sap out of the tree is clear and resembles water. And this is homemade peanut butter. And there's baking cocoa. And it calls for kosher salt. Well, guess what? Kosher certified, vegan certified, non-GMO verified, and maca, whatever that is. And that good vanilla from Mexico. Remember that movie, The Help? Eat My Shit? That's the vanilla she used. And a pan to cook it in. But then I'm going to make the bites, and they're going to go in the freezer while I make the glaze. And then it's all going back in the freezer, and you can store it in the refrigerator or freeze it. And for a twist, chop the Bliss Bites and serve them over vanilla ice cream. Okay, let's get cooking, ladies. And John, Paul, Ringo, and George wish you say it's your birthday. Well, happy birthday to ya. You say it's your birthday. We're gonna have a good time. Let's take a chance. Do a birthday dance. Happy birthday to ya. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, in a small saucepan, I am going to whisk together 5 tablespoons coconut oil, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 4 tablespoons maple syrup, all the cocoa powder, 1/4 cup, vanilla extract, okay, 1 teaspoon, and a pinch of salt until fully combined. I'm going to remove that from the heat and stir in 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons rolled oats. And then I'm going to spoon about 2 teaspoons of the oat mixture into the bottom of each cupcake liner. No, I'm not. Then freeze the tin while making the peanut butter glaze. This is supposed to make 24 cup mini muffin tin. I don't have that, so I'm just going to rely on the teaspoon, and I'm going to make them into, bites on the cookie sheet with parchment paper, and into the freezer they go. Then I'm going to make the glaze. I got a different saucepan. I'm going to whisk together 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 4 tablespoons peanut butter, a tablespoon maple syrup until fully combined. And then I'm going to remove the tin from the freezer and spoon the warm peanut butter mixture over the top of the chocolate oat mixture. I'm going to return it to the freezer for 15 minutes or until the bites are set, or refrigerate until serving. Let's see what happens. This is your Happy Birthday Bliss Bites. Happy Birthday Bliss Bites. Happy Birthday Bliss Bites to Jayne and Yaya Bird. 5 tablespoons coconut oil. I know it looks like lard, but coconut oil will harden up if the temperatures are cool, but that's okay. 2 tablespoons peanut butter. And remember, this is homemade peanut butter from scratch. 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. And that's homemade too. I got a bottle of Watkins pure maple extract at Walmart and followed the recipe on the back. Remember that movie Door to Door with William H. Macy? I work for Watkins. I have a real job. I work for Watkins. 1/4 cup cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of that good Mexican vanilla. You know, the one that was put in that special pie in the help. Yeah, 2 slice Hilly. And what she say? That's not me. Ha ha ha. And a pinch of salt. And now I am going to whisk this all together over a low heat. And then I'm going to remove it from the heat and stir in the oats. And the oats is 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Okay, this is fully combined. And this is exactly 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. Okay, now I'm going to stir that up. And then this is my cookie sheet lined with wax paper, and I spray it, the bottom, with cooking spray so that it sticks. And then I've got the teaspoon, and I'm going to do 2 teaspoons and make little balls and see what happens, because I don't have one of those fancy 24 mini cup pans. I might have a bit of a dilemma, because even with the rolled oats, these are not going to... These might fall apart, so I'm going to make an improvisation. Hang in there. Okay, this is my mini donut pan turned upside down, and I've wiped this out really, really well, and I think that would equal 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to put that in the freezer. Then I'm going to pop them out onto the tray once they're set, because this is only 3, 6, 9, 12. So I need to do it 2 times. But it's worth it for my sister. It's her birthday. Okay, new situation. This is a teaspoon, right? Well, this is smaller than a teaspoon, and I want 2. So we're going to make like Bliss Bagel Bites. This will be 2 teaspoons, and I'll spray this with cooking spray, and I'll make like Bliss Bite little donut looking things. I mean, what's the difference? 2 teaspoons is 2 teaspoons. So again, for 812, got to do that twice. Yeah, Bird, you're turning into a pain in my caca. Well, okay, that's 2 teaspoons. And what's left isn't going to make 12. So I'm going to put these in the freezer right on the cookie sheet tray and let that set up before I go to the next step, because there's still some in the pan. Oh my God, how flippin' cute are those? This one, I mean, they're frozen, but it kind of came apart but that's okay. They're going back in the freezer, and I'm going to make the Bliss sauce. These are the Bliss Bites. Now I'm going to make the Bliss sauce. See? Just like that. They go back in the freezer. Cool, huh? Okay, I'm getting ready to make the glaze. 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 4 tablespoons peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon maple syrup. Whisk it together over a low heat until fully combined. And then I'll take the tray out and spoon the warm peanut butter mixture over the top of the chocolate oat mixture, and then return the tin to the freezer. Ooh, yeah, baby. 1 tablespoon coconut oil. 4 tablespoons peanut butter. And 1 tablespoon maple syrup. So I'm going to turn this on low and make me some sauce. Okay, the sauce is ready. And now I'm going to get a spoonful. And it said to drizzle it. And then they're going back into the freezer. That's what they look like. Let me drizzle these, and then I'll do another shot. Yeah, another shot of tequila. Okay. These are going back in the freezer. The recipe says for like 15 minutes. And here's the thing. I know the picture in the recipe book was all poo-poo fancy. But if you use all the ingredients it calls for, and you use them in the right order that it calls for, it's going to taste the same. And let me tell you, I ain't Martha Stewart. And I'm a bohemian warrior princess, biker chick, solo journey, living in a converted RV storage garage. And loving my life, baby. But the proof is in the pudding or the tasting. So, you see, I got 15. There was really 18. I ate 3 plain ones to make room. So, I don't know who said 24, but this is 15. And I'm probably going to eat that one once they're set. So, back in 15. Okay, they're all set. And I said I was going to eat this one. Oh, it feels wonderful. I'm going to put the whole thing in my mouth. Okay, I'm chewing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, homemade peanut butter, homemade maple syrup. Oh, so good. So good. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. Jayne and Bird. Love you. Happiest birthday ever. And bon appetit.